Indian cinema is on the brink of a historic transformation as filmmaker Nitesh Tiwari gears up to bring the epic tale of Ramayana to the global stage, and this isn't just another mythological movie. With a jaw-dropping budget of 4,000 crore rupees, approximately $500 million, Ramayana has already claimed the title of the most expensive Indian film ever made. Boosting a star-studded cast that includes Ranbir Kapoor as Lord Ram, Sai Pallavi as Sita, Yash as Ravan, Sunny Deol as Hanuman, Lara Datta as Kaikeyi, Sheba Chaddha as Manthra, Ravi Dubey as Lakshman, and veteran actor Arun Govil as King Dashrath, the film promises a cinematic experience unlike anything India has produced before. In an interview, producer Namit Malhotra explained that Ramayana was never intended to be just an Indian film. It's a global film from the day we start. I'm not trying to make it to appease Indian people in India. It should speak to you like any other film, he said. Malhotra drew comparisons between Ramayana and Hollywood blockbusters like Avatar, Gladiator, and Christopher Nolan's films, setting sky-high expectations. He added, "If people in the West don't like it, I consider that a failure. It is meant for the world. If you don't like it, shame on me." Director Nitesh Tiwari, known for films like Dangal, believes that the emotional depth of Ramayana will resonate with audiences worldwide. Emotions are universal. If the audience connects with you emotionally, I think they will connect with the whole story, he said. Even IMAX CEO Richard Gelfond is excited about the film's potential, stating, "Judging from what we've seen, this has all the elements to be a global success." Ramayana will be released in two parts. Part 1 is scheduled for Diwali 2026, and Part 2 will follow in Diwali 2027. Reports also suggest that filming for the second part will begin by October 2025. With a massive budget, an ambitious global vision, and a legendary story at its core, Ramayana is aiming to be more than just a movie. It's poised to be India's biggest global blockbuster. Are you excited to see Ramayana on the big screen? Let us know in the comments.